In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your inbox with SaneBox in just 5 minutes. If you're like most people, you probably dread dealing with an overwhelming email inbox. Thankfully, SaneBox offers an efficient way to take control of your email mess without spending hours sorting through unread messages. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into a quick guide that will transform how you manage your email. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, it doesn't make a difference for this task. Then, head to the search bar and type in SaneBox. You'll likely see a list of results, but to make your life easier, look for the first link that has the URL sanebox.com. Clicking on this will take you directly to the official SaneBox homepage. Once you're on the SaneBox website, it's time to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. If you're new to SaneBox, you might need to set up an account, but the process is straightforward, and the prompts will guide you through it. Now, after successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all the magic happens. The next step is to navigate to the Deep Clean section. You can usually find this prominently displayed, as it's one of the key features SaneBox offers. This option allows SaneBox to dig deep into your inbox, and it's very handy for those emails that have been just sitting there, aging like forgotten leftovers in the fridge. Once you're in the Deep Clean section, you'll be prompted to choose a custom date. This is an essential step because SaneBox will scan all the emails older than the date you've picked. It's a clever way to focus on outdated messages that you probably don't need hanging around anymore. So, choose a date that makes sense for your email habits. After the deep scan is complete, SaneBox will provide you with a summary of what it found. The results can be grouped by sender, total messages, or even storage size. This is the time to decide how you want your information organized. For instance, sorting by size can help you reclaim significant storage space, while choosing to sort by total messages can help you manage common senders more efficiently. With the data sorted and presented, look through the list and select the senders or groups of emails you want to eliminate. Once you've made your selections, click on Trash Selected. This action will move those unwanted emails straight to your email client's trash folder, freeing up space and helping you maintain a tidier inbox. And just like that, in only 5 minutes, you've significantly reduced the clutter in your email. By following these steps, SaneBox will become an invaluable tool in managing your emails, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!